When you judge others, you do not define them, you define yourself. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition, an emotion will one day become reality. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. The mind moves in the direction of our currently dominant thoughts. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. We must be the epitome, the embodiment of success. We must radiate success before it will come to us. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. Everything begins with an idea. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. You'll find boredom where there is the absence of a good idea. People with goals succeed because they know where they are going. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere till you change it. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Always keep that happy attitude. Pretend that you are holding a beautiful, fragrant bouquet. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It is conformity. You are now, and you do become, what you think about. Perseverance is another word for faith. A person who does not read is no better than one cannot read. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. What happens inside always appears outside. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. To give oneself is the only way of becoming oneself. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. You are now, and you do become, what you think about.